Ever wanted to go on a dream vacation but felt like it was financially out of reach? Maybe you have a specific destination in mind, but the cost of flights, hotels, and activities seems like a mountain you can't climb. What if I told you there was a simple, almost effortless way to start saving for that trip today? A way that turns your everyday spending into a savings superpower. That's where Acorns comes in. It's an app that helps you invest, but its real genius for vacation planning lies in its roundups feature. Think about it. Every time you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns rounds it up to the nearest dollar and invests the extra 50 cents for you. A $12.75 lunch becomes a 25-cent investment. Individually, these are small amounts you'd never miss. But over time, they add up faster than you think, creating a dedicated vacation fund without you ever having to think about it. So, how do you set this up? First, you download Acorns and link your checking account and any credit or debit cards you use regularly. Next, you turn on the roundups feature. It's a simple toggle in the app settings. Acorns will then automatically track your purchases, and, once your roundups reach a total of $5, it will transfer that money into your Acorns investment account. This is the magic part. It's not a single, large transfer that feels like a hit to your wallet. It's a series of micro-investments you barely notice. But here's a pro tip for supercharging your savings. In addition to roundups, you can set up recurring daily, weekly, or monthly investments. Even a small amount, like $5 a week, can make a massive difference. You can also manually add funds whenever you have some extra cash. Think of it as a vacation savings piggy bank that you can contribute to whenever you want. The best part? The money isn't just sitting there. It's invested in a diversified portfolio, so it has the potential to grow while you save. You can choose a portfolio that fits your risk tolerance, whether you're saving for a trip next year or a few years down the road. So, imagine this: you're walking around with your Acorns account silently growing in the background. Your daily coffee run, your grocery trips, your online shopping, it all contributes to your vacation fund. You can literally watch your savings tick up, getting closer and closer to that dream destination with every single purchase. No more feeling guilty about small splurges because they're actually helping you save. It's a mental shift that makes saving for travel feel less like a chore and more like a game. The next time you open the app, you won't just be looking at an investment account, you'll be looking at a future plane ticket, a hotel reservation, and unforgettable memories waiting to be made. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.